Hello guys, welcome to the video. I am Jun and I'm going to show you how to install the FEDA valve onto the Marui MWS nozzle. The valve is compatible with the original Marui nozzle as well as GunsModify, T8 and Unicorn nozzles. AngryGun nozzles are not compatible because the shape inside is different. The other nozzles that the ones I mentioned, we do not know if it's compatible as we did not test it. If you by any means have one of those nozzles, please give us feedback if the valve fits or not, so we can update the list and at least help other members of the community, future members or future buyers, to know if their nozzles are compatible or not. So let's go to the installation process. You are going to need obviously the stock parts of the nozzle. A long tool to help you insert the valve inside the nozzle, and the adjustment key. Make sure that when you are installing it, the screw is completely flat with the base of the valve. It's going to help you in the installation process. So what I like to do, obviously first you install the spring, you align the bolt. Let me just zoom really quickly to be a bit easier to show. You will align both gas roots so they match, and then again, with the long tool you're going to insert the valve. Once the valve reach this position, you might find it like it's stuck. Don't try to force it to the position. If this happens, it means that the valve it's not aligned properly. So pick the adjustment key, try to find the grub screw, and then just wiggle a bit until you align the valve. And you can see I'm just pushing the nozzle and the spring is doing the forward motion. So this means that the valve it's properly installed. From here you just install the nozzle just like any other end pads or the rocket valve, or you insert the screw, don't over tight this screw, don't, so it doesn't protrude from the bottom of the nozzle, otherwise it will scratch the bolt carrier group. And that's it, the valve is installed. You can try it. The clockwise rotation will close the valve, so it means less energy. The counterclockwise will open the valve. So that's it, pretty simple and straightforward. You just have to find the alignment of the valve and you are good to go. So guys, I hope this video helps you how to install the FEDA valve onto the MWS nozzle. Obviously this is a MTR bolt carrier group, but it's the same. If you have any questions, please go to the links below. I will leave links for the Every Recall Club Discord, as well as the federal social media and their website. So if you need to ask some questions, please feel free to to do it, or leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer the best I can. I hope you guys well. See you later.